Hello, it's Eric Catcher with Century 21 coming from beautiful Sierra foothills, and today I'm bringing a spectacular view, you guys. Panorama Lane here in Colfax. As you can see behind me, we're good morning to this beautiful sunrise here. You've got Sierra snow-capped views all the way around, which is stunning and gorgeous. So this is just a few minutes off of Interstate 80, off the kind of West Weimar exit. We can get off West Weimar or get off a Pioli exit. Real kind of fun. So let's go in and take a look at it. It's a real cute, this could be an amazing home that you want to live in here permanently, or this could be a really cute Airbnb of sorts. But you can see you've got a really nice, some nice wood kind of accents throughout the house, and a nice little stove there. As we kind of walk into this way, we've got a built-in laundry room over there, and you kind of wrap around into the dining area and a kitchen, which is nice and serviceable. But you can just see that view straight out that kitchen window right there, which is absolutely stunning. As you kind of go down through the back area in here, you've got 3 bedrooms. So you got a bedroom that's tucked back in here on this side right there, which is nice. We just got the carpets clean. You've got a nice serviceable bathroom in here with a nice tile tub, and you've got a little office / third bedroom with some built-in cabinetry as well that actually has a mini split. And if you guys aren't familiar with those mini splits, they're a wonderful use of technology where you can control temperature control like individual rooms. And then you got the main room here, which as you can see right off the beautiful view that you can just step this direction and check that out. So you got the nice view, then you got the bathroom that is tucked right there in the main. So guys, if you'd like to see this property with this spectacular view, feel free to reach out to me. Subscribe to our channel for some other amazing properties that are on their way as well, and we'll talk soon.